Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. This tutorial video is regarding genetics for class 10. Okay, so let's begin. We will begin with the law of dominance. The three laws of genetics, three laws of Mendel. The law of dominance states that in a monohybrid cross, when two alleles of an inherited pair is heterozygous, the allele that is expressed is called dominant allele and the allele that remains suppressed is called recessive allele. Next is law of segregation. During the production of gametes, the two copies of each hereditary factors segregate so that offsprings acquire one factor from each parent. This is called law of segregation. The third one is law of independent assortment. This law states that if the inheritance of more than one character is studied simultaneously, the factors for each character assort out independently to the other factor as in dihybrid cross. So this is based on dihybrid cross. These genes for the shape and color of the seed are assorted independently. So these are the three laws. Let's come to other part of genetics, that is 7 pairs of contrasting characters of the pea plant that was taken by Mendel. This is a very common question that is asked by the board examiners. The characters are seed shape, seed color, pod shape, pod color, flower position and stem length. And the contrasting features are given over here. The seed shape is round and wrinkled, seed color is yellow and green, pod shape is inflated and constricted, pod color is yellow and green, flower color is purple and white, flower position axillary and terminal, stem length is tall and dwarf. Coming to another part, in humans, the Hollandric genes. We know that the human individuals are XX and XY. The females are XX and males are XY. The Hollandric genes are exclusively male. These genes exclusively occur on the Y chromosome that is present only in males, not in females. The disorders associated with it are baldness and auricular hypertrichosis, means the hair growth on the pinna. Sex-linked genes. These are also known as X-linked genes, means these are present on the X chromosomes which affect both males and females. Now the two diseases that we are going to deal with in the syllabus are hemophilia and color blindness. Both are sex-linked disorders and both are recessive also. In case of sex-linked recessive disorders, a woman having two X chromosomes may be a carrier. Carrier means she is having two X chromosomes, means the one X chromosome is a normal X chromosome that is dominant character and the other that is for hemophilia or for color blindness, they are recessive. So the dominant X dominates the affected X chromosome and the female becomes a carrier. But she has the factor for hemophilia, so she can pass on this trait to her sons only, not to the daughters. If she passes on to the daughters also become carriers. They are not affected. Same is for color blindness. Now we come to a question. A question may be given that a man having blood group A marries a woman having blood group B. What will be the blood group of their children? Show the crosses. The genotypes for blood group A are either IAIA or IA small I, and the genotypes for blood group B are IB or IB small I. Now there will be 4 different crosses for this question. Cross number 1 is if the father is IA and the mother is IB, then all the children will be having AB blood group. See here, all the children having AB blood group. All the children here will be AB, means 100% AB. In the second case, in the second cross we see father is IA and the mother is IBI. Then we have 50% of the children are AB group and 50% are A group. The third cross is if the father is IA small I and mother is IB, then we have 50% as AB group and 50% are B group. According to the fourth cross, if father is IAI and mother is also IB small I, then this is the cross. We have 25% each for each group. 25% are AB, 25% are having B, 25% are having A, and 25% are having O group. So these are the 4 crosses for a single question. This is very important from the board exam point of view. Now please share this video to as many people as possible so that they can also get the same advantage as you are getting. And please subscribe my channel if you want to get more of this kind of questions and answer sessions. So thanks once again. Thanks a lot.